Police were called to pick up a woman after her tiny shorts sparked fears she was half naked in the street. Facebook Kirsty Holt freezing. Facebook users were stunned to see the young woman walking about in almost nothing. The mystery female in her 20s was reported by locals after braving the freezing cold, appearing to wear nothing on her bottom half. She was snapped on a street in Merseyside by Facebook user Kirsty Holt, who wrote, "Why is there a woman walking down the high street with no pants or knickers on?" But after a police hunt to track her down, cops found she was actually wearing a tiny pair of shorts. Facebook Kirsty Holt nothing to wear. Facebook users joked about why the woman was so inappropriately dressed. A Merseyside police spokeswoman said, "We were called to reports of a woman walking down the road. Officers advised her to wear more appropriate clothing. No offenses were committed." Facebook users were quick to condemn the woman for her choice of winter wear. Merino was posted, "If a man walked around like that, they would get arrested for indecent exposure." Oxford Uni students dare to bear despite the chilly conditions. Our Lammy Live news. An Oxford Uni student flashes more than she bargained for on the Santa-themed pub crawl. Some users joked that she was going for a swim and had changed into her costume. Kirsty Holt, who posted the photo, told The Sun, "I could not believe someone could be brave enough to wear next to nothing in this awful cold. Fair play to her." Another neighbor who spotted the young woman said, "I couldn't believe my eyes. I did a double take. I thought she was naked at first. She must have been freezing her butt off." Newcastle revelers dare to flash flesh in freezing temperatures for night out. North News Pictures Limited. Last month, police were on the hunt for 5 blokes who walked naked into a McDonald's in Australia, stunning parents with children. Some Facebook users had hilarious reasons for the young lady who walked half naked around Liverpool. Julie Edmondson joked maybe she told her husband she had nothing to wear. Related